Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn about sort function in the Java streams. How can we use a sort function with a list of integers? How can we sort the list of custom objects and like many more some complex scenarios like combination of sort and grouping and many more. Okay, so let's start with a simple question. We have a list of integers and we just need to sort it. Okay, so let me create another list, sorted list one. Okay, so here we can just use the stream dot sorted. So stream has a function sorted and that will gonna sort this list of integers. Okay, we don't need to pass any comparator here because it knows which integer is smaller and which integer is greater. And we can just like convert it again in the list to list. Let's try to print it. Let's see how does it look. Yeah, we can see it has sorted the list of integers, but it has sorted in the increasing order. What if I need it in the descending order? Okay, so again integer sorted list to list dot stream dot sorted. We know as we know that this sorted internally uses comparator to compare two numbers, because for sorting a list we just need to compare two numbers, then again two numbers, something like this. So we can just write the comparator dot reverse order. So while comparing, it will gonna reverse the order of the reverse the order of the output while comparing. Dot to list. Let's try to print this one. Let's see how does it look. Yep. Yeah, we can see it's in the descending order now. Moving forward to the some complex scenarios. So we have a list of orders, something like order list. We already discussed in the last video as well. Please watch if you haven't watched that one. So each order has a username, the amount, the order date, the restaurant name, and the status of the order. Okay, so now we have a custom list of object, and now we need to sort the order list based on the amount. Make sense? Like all the small orders should come in the starting. It should be sorted in the ascending order as of now. So let's see. Let me create list of order as sorted order list one equals to order list dot stream dot sorted. But here it does not know like which order is greater or which order is smaller, because each order is a object itself. So what we need to do, we need to pass the comparator here. So we need to what is our deciding factor here? This amount is our deciding factor. This is a double. So we can just write comparator dot comparing double. So while comparing two objects of order, we have to compare these amount one only. Okay, so that's why, and this amount is a double one. That's why I have written comparator dot comparing double. If it would be integer, I would have used comparing int, and I can just pass my order, the amount here. Like you need to compare on the base of amount only. So what it will gonna do? It will gonna pick two objects, compare them only on the amount, and then give us the answer. Then again two objects, compare them only with the amount only, because we have passed a custom comparator here, this one. Make sense? Let's get it in the list. Let's try to see how does it look. Okay, so order Manu 180, order Rohan 200. Yeah, it seems that it has sorted the list in the increasing order. But what if I need it in the decreasing order? Let's see how can we do that. List of order, sorted order list 2. Okay, order list dot stream dot sorted. Again we need to pass the comparator here for the double. Comparing double order get amount. After this I can just use reversed. So what it will gonna do, while comparing it will gonna reverse the answer. Make sense? Like if this object is greater than this one, it will gonna reverse that one, so that our whole list would be sorted in the descending order. dot to list. Let's try to print this one. Yeah, here we can see first order Akash 550, second order Rohan again 550, third order Manu again 500. So we can see that it has sorted in the descending order. Okay, moving towards more complex scenarios. In our last video, we have seen the grouping one. How can we group the order on the username? Now here is a mix question of grouping and sorting. So here what we need to do, group orders by username and sort each user's order list by amount. Like I want something like this. A map of string. String would be the username of the person and then the list of orders. All the orders that the user has placed, but those orders should be in the increasing order of amount only. This is a bit complex one. So let's see. User map order sorted. Okay, so as we have learned in the last class, first we have to group it on the username. So order list dot stream dot collectors dot grouping by. What we need to group it, like first we need to group it on the username only. So on the value side, on the key side, I'll pass the order get username. But what about on the value side? I want a list of orders, but I want to pre-process, like I want to process that list of order. I want to sort that list of order for each user in such a way that it should be in a sorted order. It should be in a sorted manner. So what we can use it here, so we can just use collectors dot collecting and then. It means we are collecting, and after collecting what we are doing, after first we are collecting, we have to collect this list, collectors dot to list, and then in the second argument I can just pass it as a temp list. I'll explain in a while. Temp list dot stream. Okay, so what we have done, first we have grouped it on the username. That's the key part, this username. But what about this value part? If I just leave it as it is, it will gonna give me the list of order. But I want a list of order in such a way that it should be sorted on the on the amount one. So what here I can use collectors dot collecting and then. So first it will gonna connect it, like it has collected, and then we have used this temporary variable temp list dot stream, and now I can sort this list. And I have already taught you how to sort this one. In the sorted one, we just need to pass comparator dot comparing double order get amount. Okay, and then to list. So what we're gonna do? First, it will gonna collect to list, and then it's like post processing. We have taken as a temp variable temp list dot stream dot sorted. We are sorting on the base of this amount, and then finally collecting is a to list. Let's print this one. This one is a bit complex, but this is like most asked interview questions for the Java stream. Okay, let's see how does it look. Okay, so the map has created. The username is Akash, and I can say first order is 250, and then second order is 450, third order is 550. Then Manu, first order is 180, second order is 500. So we can see like it has grouped the orders by their username, and on the value side it has a list of orders that the user has placed, but in the ascending order. What if I just need the reverse, like in the descending, I can just use the reversed here. So it would be the descending one, same as we have done above one. Make sense? Let's move towards next one. Okay, so now it's being more tricky now. For each user, find the single highest order. I just want to find a single highest order for the each user. Something like this. Map string as a username and order. This is the user max order, we can say. and this order would be the maximum amount of order that a user has placed. Okay, so again first we have to group it on the username, collectors dot grouping by order get username. So we have done the grouping on the username. After grouping, what needs to be done? Okay, like after grouping, we just need to like post process the list. So collectors dot collecting and then. So this collecting and then is used when first we need to collect the list. So collectors dot to list, and after that we need to process it, like kind of post processing. So let's use the temp list here, temp list. But from this list one, I just need only single element, that is the maximum order, because as of now it's the list of orders for each user, but I just want a single element from this list. So stream I can use the max function here. So max is used to find the maximum element in a list, but on what condition we just want a maximum order? On this amount condition, like we have to compare the amount of each order. So we can just pass our own comparator dot comparing double order dot get amount. Make sense? So it will gonna find the maximum element, and each object it will gonna cover it, it will gonna compare by using this one. Make sense? And then like I just need to do one thing, because it will gonna give me the answer in an optional class. Okay, so I can just use or else null if there is no order for that user, like just give me the null. Okay, so let's see how does it look. User max order. We can see Akash has a maximum order of 550. Manu has a maximum order of 500. Rohan has a maximum order of 550 again. Yeah, these are the three usernames that we have used. Okay, moving towards next question. This is for you guys. You just try and let me know if it works. If it does not works, let me know. I'll just gonna explain it in the next video. Okay, for each user, get the top two smallest order. Like each user, like something like this. Map string as a username and the list of order. And here list of order should be, each list should contain only two elements, two orders, that are the two smallest order for that user. Just try this one, guys. This is also kind of easy thing. Okay, this is a similar kind to this one. Cool. I think we are done for today. Like, share, subscribe if you like the video, and let me know in the comments if you need the code. Okay, and please try to solve this question. Thanks guys.